Meaning of free morpheme.
Free morpheme.
Free morpheme.
Free morpheme.
Free morpheme. In linguistics, a free morpheme refers to a morpheme that can stand alone as a word or be combined with other morphemes to create new words. Free morphemes can carry meaning on their own and do not require any additional morphemes to create a complete word. For example, in the word cat, cat is a free morpheme because it can stand alone as a word. Similarly, in the word bookshelf, book and shelf are both free morphemes. In contrast, bound morphemes cannot stand alone as words and must be attached to other morphemes to create a complete word.